like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
Well, good morning, or for you it could be afternoon, evening, or good night. Either way, I have literally slept really well. The little radiator that I put in the camper, kicked in on the old thermostat and kept me nice and warm. The camp bed, to be fair, is reasonably comfortable, so I slept well. So happy days. Anyway, I've had my breakfast, I've grabbed a shower, and now literally all I need to do is jump on the monkey cycle. So the plan to start off with, because it is a winging adventure, I've put in the sat nav. It says it's about, I think 12 miles away from here is the beginning of Hardknott Pass. That is supposed to be the best mounting-y pass thing in the world. So I'm literally going to brute up for protection to keep the ladies away because I'm so sexy, put on all of my kit and just head straight there because this is a winging adventure. And then after there, we'll just probably head to that Windermere Lake or just see what's around. And do you know what? Let's just have a proper unplanned helmet head adventure. Anyway, time to protect myself. Well, here we go. I'm dead excited. Oh yes, monkey. Let's go on an adventure. Now, straight away, I have already looked at TripAdvisor for Hardknott Pass, and it's worth a look because lots of people are saying this road needs to be closed immediately and it's dangerous, and but I was absolutely terrified. Now, quite clearly, they haven't jumped over a human being. They obviously haven't done the most mega sort of river passes in the world, and they've not had a bearing go on them at like 200 miles an hour and just made it through. And at no point during any of that stuff was I scared in any way because I am a true man. Okay, I was absolutely petrified. So this Hardknott Pass sounds interesting. I just hope it lives up to its glory, because if the first thing I do on this adventure is poop myself, we're on the right track. So anyway, let's get to Hardknott Pass. Let's see if it's as incredible as TripAdvisor says it is. According to Wikipedia, no monkey bike has ever crossed Hardknott Pass, ever, according to Wikipedia, and that never lies. So this could be the first monkey bike crossing in the world, another Guinness Book record. I'm not making it up at all in any way. Let's go! Woo-hoo-hoo! Well, here we are, the Hardknott Pass. Now, this is the time where you want to sit on a bucket, get the toilet roll ready for when you poop yourself, for one of the most dangerous passes in the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump on the monkey and conquer Hardknott Pass. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at this! Here we go! Come on, monkey! Let's do this! Power! Whoa! what an incredible road. I mean, I'm lost for words, it's so exciting. But I've just stopped, like, I don't know if it's the top or if the top's over there, but I've stopped somewhere that's absolutely awesome. But ladies and gentlemen, Hardknott Pass, it's just stunning. I mean, just look at this. Wow. What can I say other than that is just taking my breath away, and now I'm going to go and ride that road a little bit more. But Hardknott Pass, yeah, okay, it is a little bit tricky and you do feel like your front wheel's going to come up a bit, but what a rush and what an amazing road. Hardknott Pass, people, whoa, that is just impressive. Well, wow, this is cool. That was amazing. And now the rest of it. Here we come, baby. Here we come. Monkey bike, helmet head, Hardknott Pass.
But you send your light to be found now. It's like my engine's overflow, and I ain't fueled, it's time to go. Oh, we are in this rush, is love in the fast lane. I feel I'm strong beyond belief, and this is happening to me. I'm shouting over this.
Now we're coming to an end of the Hardknott Pass, and I mean, what more can I say than that is epic, that is literally breathtaking. And there is some bits that are a bit ropey, but it's mostly with cars. If we get rid of the cars, it'll be fine. But if you sat on the bucket and you got scared, I hope you managed to not mess yourself. For me, it's like eating loads and loads and loads of chocolate bars and being full of sugar, or having those little Smarties when I had the orange ones full of these. That was a rush. That was an absolute rush. I am just smiling ear to ear and cannot wait now to see this lake Windermere, and hopefully that's breathtaking as well. But when it comes down to passes, wow, Hardknott Pass, you're definitely getting a high five from me. You are definitely absolutely epic and well worth the ride here. But wow, I can't stop saying it. I'm just so excited, so much fun. What a blast, it really was.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. Already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.